What will you do if you earn $5 every 10 seconds? Want to make unlimited fast money online? Since we live in a world where spending is as fast as the speed of light, everyone can all use a fast money making side hustle. In today's video, I'll be sharing something very valuable and will help you make fast money online in 2022. It's totally beginner friendly and can be done anywhere in the world. Everything that I will show you in this video is totally doable by anyone, but the details can be really specific and you don't want to miss out on any of those. So, instead of mindlessly scrolling through tons of content, why not make the most of your time by paying close attention to this short video and start making money fast online in 2022? Before we dive deep into that, welcome back to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online, regardless of background and expertise. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell if you want to learn the fastest money making ways. Love our videos? Leave a comment and let us know which method you'll try. Alright, let's get started and learn how to make fast money online in 2022. I know you want unlimited fast money, right? Introducing 5squid.com. Quick trivia: squid or quid is a British slang for pound sterling, hence the name. 5squid.com is a British-based freelance marketplace website where people can trade skills and services. First launched in 2011, the website hosts a variety of services, from tech jobs like SEO specialist advice to bizarre things like having a man with a parrot produce a quick clip advertising a business. 5squid was created to provide a secure platform where people from all across the globe can trade on their skills and savvy buyers can pick up a bargain without compromising on quality. They offer a massive range of services for every budget, and services priced at 5, 10, 20, or £50, as well as the option to create custom orders with bespoke price. Upgraded pro sellers can offer all their services at any price and enjoy a host of other nifty perks, like offering recurring services on subscription. And take note, since we're talking about pounds here, that's a bit more valuable than US dollars. Whether you're a lone wolf looking to use your skills to earn a little, or a lot of extra cash, or a company wanting to get the biggest bang for your buck without having to fork out on additional staff or high-end agency fees, 5squid is the right place for you to make fast money online. They have an impressive global community of members spanning over 100 countries. Individuals and companies sell services to boost their income. Companies and freelancers use this website to buy great services at a fantastic price. When you have achieved 12 milestones and maintained a positive feedback rating of 98% or more, you will then be called a best seller on 5squid and have a badge of honor on your profile and services page. A pro seller, on the other hand, is an option where you can access additional features in exchange for a small fee. It is not a reflection of any past or future level of service, but it does show that the seller is serious enough about selling on 5squid that they're willing to invest money on it. So, how do you become a part of this awesome community? Simply click the join button on the upper right part of the page. Create an account using your email or simply link your existing Facebook, Google, or Twitter account. Once you're inside, you'll notice on the homepage the different services offered by tons of freelancers like website banners, voiceovers, logo design, and so much more. Simpler tasks are usually priced at £5, while the more complex jobs are priced higher. If you have the skills to offer similar services, that's great. But as promised, this process is beginner friendly, which means you do not need to be a professional graphic designer for you to start earning here at 5squid. So, if you're thinking, I don't know what to offer on this website, don't fret because I got you covered. Just stick around and in a couple of minutes, I'll be sharing a simple yet effective tool that can help you jumpstart your side hustle on 5squid so you can start making money fast online in 2022. Before the juiciest part of the video is revealed, I'll give you some time to give this video a huge thumbs up since you've made it this far. Let me know in the comments which part you like most, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on the fastest cash generating online trends. Now, for the most awaited part, let me introduce Headameal.com. Headameal is a simple website that allows you to edit some dynamic images. For example, if you click the Einstein link, you will find a photo of Albert Einstein appearing to write something on a blackboard. If you notice, there's a text box above it where you can place your own text. Let's type subscribe to the Online Money Girl channel, then just click change image and the text will appear on Einstein's board as if he wrote it himself. You can then right-click and save the image as to save the photo on your device. You may write sayings or funny quotes that would match the Einstein photo and save even hundreds of them if you can. And that's not all. There's also an Uncle Sam I Want You dynamic image where you can do the same thing with the Einstein photo. Let me show you a quick sample. I'll click on Uncle Sam and change the text to subscribe to my channel. So now it reads, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Isn't that cool? There's so many things you can do with this dynamic image, and you can then use it to make fast money online in 2022. In addition, there's a third dynamic image, which is the Quaker guy. Whip up some witty remarks and you'll make him laugh. That's 3 dynamic images to choose from, coupled with tons of funny and witty statements, and you got yourself some fun images which you can sell on 5squid.com. If you think I'm done, well, you're in for a surprise because I always love giving away bonus tips in my videos. Since we are all about making fast money online in 2022, why not maximize your earning potential by using 2 platforms to sell your creation? That bonus website I'm talking about is Fiverr.com. Similar to 5squid, the word Fiverr is a slang for a $5 bill or a £5 note. They probably chose this name because there are so many things that people can buy and sell for $5. The witty images that you can create using Headameal.com is an example. Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services with low-cost providers from all over the world. Fiverr lets clients pay in advance for gigs. That's what a service offered on Fiverr's website is called. Gigs constitute any digital services ranging from WordPress design, logo design, writing services, transcriptions, to even voiceover work. However, we have learned from this video that you do not necessarily need to have those skills to get started on freelance sites like 5squid and Fiverr. In Fiverr, the more gigs you sell, the easier it will be to build your seller rating on the site. This means you will potentially be able to charge more for the services you offer. As a seller, you have the potential to make around $1,000 to $2,000 a month, depending on how well you market yourself and how many gigs you get. For many sellers, taking advantage of a skill set already built in the workplace and offering on this site is a great way to get more experience and make fast money online. To give you a quick run through of what we learned from this video, go to Headameal.com, create fun and witty designs using the dynamic images, and then sign up to 5squid.com and Fiverr.com, where you will then be able to sell them to clients for $5 or even more and make fast money online in 2022. The beauty of this process is that you only have to create the design once, but you can sell it over and over again. Please let us know in the comments below if you'll be trying this method. And that's it! If you like this video and want more, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell hard. If you love this video and find it helpful, share that love by tapping the like button. For other fast money-making trends this 2022, check out my other videos and share them to your friends so they can benefit as well. Thanks so much for sticking till the end. This is OMG saying BYE. See you in the next one.